We'll start from the headstone.
Okay, so now what can I do for here like this?
Na grave, tombstone.
Okay. Tombstone, the one that they use a marble to do for everywhere.
Yes, so
this design look like the one you don't do before somewhere else.
Just what we don't do before, but just different marble. Now we use to do this one today.
Okay, different marble.
Yes.
Okay, we'll start with the headstone as we talk.
Yes.
And as I say, this one carry picture.
You go see the picture, it clear well.
Very, very clear.
Yeah, it clear well.
So now the person in the picture, now you take care.
Exactly what the person give us. Now we engrave foot.
Okay.
Yes.
So this picture, now they say now they feel they enlarge them or make them smaller.
Yes. As far as headstone is concerned, this headstone is this one is passport side. Now we use.
Okay, passport size.
Yes. But if now waiting client want say in one made the picture full here without write up.
Yeah, that kind of thing.
Full this without write up. We'll do one like that.
Okay.
We go draw and you go engrave and you go full.
You go full.
The full headstone.
Maybe a small write up we don't
yes,
do.
maybe in name and age now go contain.
Yes.
Now what the person want now would they give them?
Okay. And this one still carry plenty
write up and cross.
Yes. And the cross na gold na take the write up and cross na gold
na take. Yes, the owner want. He say more use gold, both the Holy Bible more use gold do am.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this one fine well. Now more come the body of the. Now come put Bible on top.
Yeah, that you can see the Bible now. See the wrapping of the Bible. See the way it there. See the edge. Maybe you do the edge well.
Yes. But how I take do this edge when you curve like this?
Now be the thing. I no be join. If you look and where now, look and from that side, you go see say no be join. I wrap am.
I know say when I join them.
Yes. I wrap am. Then fold the Bible like a normal Bible. You go see say that normal Bible now only to open. Now I know they open.
Now otherwise I don't because that look like normal Bible already.
Yes.
I just open and I remain. So which kind of marble I use for here, sir?
Okay, we use our absolute black and tatara.
Absolute black.
Yes, and tatara.
So a different kind of black day.
Yes, we have diamond black, we have absolute black, we have black galaxy.
Okay.
Yes, a different type of black we get. Okay. This one an absolute black.
Absolute black.
Yes.
So an absolute black. And what you call the second one?
Oh, tatara.
Which should be the tatara, for instance?
Yes, the tatara. This one we use do the second step.
Okay.
Yeah, and this the second step.
Okay, and this tatara, I guess in a different color to the common. I let this color.
The tatara get to get rosa beta own. The one will be like pink.
Okay.
Then we'll get this color will be white.
Will be white.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So the kind I make you use this to
combine. I choose this one.
Okay. What of this part of this Bible you can get a good design?
Okay, now the owner. Sample where I give them, okay. So you can like I'm saying more use this one stand as the verse.
Yes.
One open chapter.
Yes.
So now we'll use designer.
Okay, of course, good designer.
Yes.
I think that good. Another marble will be gold color.
no.
Okay.
Now we'll use a golden paint designer like that.
Okay.
You understand? That's when no go think say we go feel.
You feel put now read down.
Yes, that's it.
I might just come this side in the same way. Very fine tombstone. All these tombstones are good to show our love and respect for our loved ones. For our loved ones, so we don't pass on. So some people would look and say, no, it ain't necessary. It ain't necessary. Use quality material. And the way they take design now, they make a really very fine. Come build house. Which I make a conde very, very nice and respectful for the late parent. Wow. So I got this one on a big one. Now 3 steps. Now I to do this one.
This one a 3 step it be.
3 steps.
And this 3 step now with the Bible and the headstone, 17.6 square meter.
17.6 square meter.
Yes, now everything be.
Okay, so the step increase. That's so.
Yes, and so now the marble now, so the marble they increase.
Because suppose if you did now, they say make that for 5 steps.
Yes. Now what you want? Some people come now and 1 step they want.
Yes.
Yeah, mostly this Bible take a lot of marble.
Yes.
You understand? The folding and everything, that double marble that we use to them.
The double marble.
Yes. Okay. The folding. You have to double the marble so that it go fit stand. Maybe the one we go do finish tomorrow it go break. You understand?
So this part we cover now for our office now do a couple.
So now here we do everything, we work everything for site here.
For here, okay.
Yeah, we carry the marble as a slab, come here, come work.
Okay.
Yes.
So the client provide anything for now apart from the marble?
Only thing the client provide for us is just sand. and block. Now what he provide for us?
Okay.
Sand and block.
Sand
the
and
rest
block.
now who provide them.
Okay.
Yes.
So now per square meter take this one or
Now contract. It's a form of contract. Yes.
Okay, form of contract.
Yes.
Everything. So how much for this one, sir?
This one now 1.6. I take do everything.
Okay, 1.6 million.
Yeah. In case people will want to do, I will still give them discount.
Okay.
A small discount. You understand? Yeah. People away from our platform.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll make you tell our viewers them again your name and the.
Okay, my name is Victor Silas Chijoko Bodopem. Okay, I deal on all kinds of building merchant. Marble slab, anyhow you want, anything you want use marble, do marble sink.
Okay.
And my store location is at number 36 TV Road. If you are coming from Olia Market, after Baptist High School, come from small opposite Mocha Foam. Within church day of my store day done. Then if you are coming from 5 Junction after our market there, you go see Mocha Foam, opposite Mocha Foam, my store day. Number 36 TV Road.
Alright, so I'm glad they use marble to do any kind
anything
of
we want, sink or anything. Even for floor, they use marble. Do anything.
If you use marble for floor, sir?
Yes, we use marble for floor.
No go they slippery.
No, the edges will brush the edges out. When person match out, even though rain fall, you no go they slippery. No go 4 person. Make person no go using money buy wetin go kill am.
Yes,
God forbid.
Yes, so
yes.
Because the way the marble dey na person just say this marble go dey slippery. Think say as e dey like this.
Even they use ties do compound.
Yes.
Yes. They
use sometimes they will say they get grip.
Yes. They get grip. Now so we tell they do marble. Any marble we use do compound, we they do it like that. You go see get grip. If we for you no go fit.
Okay.
So we use a filing machine. Use and give them teeth.
Okay. Give them teeth.
Yes. So if we for you no go they slippery.
Okay, yes, possible like that.
Yes, it is very possible. 100%.
And I know some where most people they use them now. They do that for staircase where
yes,
they get a special one. Some places just the
staircase for dining. People when no one buy dining, will use and construct dining table for you.
Dining table.
Yes.
Okay.
Center table, anyone you want.
And apart from that, I know that they construct wash and basin for different places.
Yes.
For bedroom wash and basin, and they find I never be like it will not last forever.
It will last forever.
Nothing they spoil.
Anything where you want, if you get problem, we will use our machine, cut them, rectify the problem, cover them back again. There's no problem in that.
Okay. So I can make it just say you take appreciate all this review, and for the other maybe they say they sell the marble.
Okay.
If they want buy, maybe they get a furniture person and they need marble for their kitchen cabinet. They sell them.
They sell.
And if you still cost the marble, go install for them.
I get shop. My shop they number 36 TV Road.
Okay.
Of 5 Junction. Like they say, I get shop, I get stock, I get marble for shop. And maybe next video I go do them for shop. So you see the kind variety of marble we get for shop. Because I get new stock now.
Okay.
Like they say, people I see they do installation.
Okay.
You understand? Anything where they use marble, they do them.
Alright, so me call your phone number now.
Okay.
So
my phone number 081 33 1643 72. That's also my WhatsApp number in case if you want to reach me through WhatsApp or you want to give me direct call. 081 33 1643 72. Thank you so much, our viewers. Anybody will give me work, I pray may God give them. Make that money where they give me work, may God give them times 10 of that money.
Amen.
You understand?
Amen.
People where they give us work, they can never lack.
Amen.
People where they promote this our platform, God will bless them.
Amen.
They will never lack.
Amen.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. I thought I should say thank you. May God bless you now. And I'm going to patronize all of our partners. But before I give them work, we can use the callers to confirm their current status with us. Now, bye-bye.